Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael and today I'm going to do something a little different. I do use a lot of garlic when I'm cooking my different dishes and things that I've got. And what I did this past year was I had got some garlic from the store and I thought I'm just going to try it and see what it's going to do. So I put it in some pots in the backyard and it actually grew pretty well. So I thought, well, I've been in the store looking for garlic and for some reason of late, the garlic that I see is either dried out, it's not any good. I don't know really what's going on, but I thought I'm just going to go ahead and order some bulbs and that way I can plant them in my yard. I've got a nice spot that I'm going to be putting these in. So when I ordered these, it asked me what zone I lived in. So I type in, put the zone in, what it was, and then the company that I ordered these from ships them for the zone that you're in when they're ready to plant. So I did get these garlic bulbs here. This one is called the music garlic and it comes with three big nice bulbs in there. And then I've got one here called Early Italian garlic. This one has 4 bulbs in this one. And then this other one I've got here is called Extra Select Garlic, and this has 4 bulbs in this one. And the last one that I've got here is called Transylvania Garlic. I wonder what that's going to keep away. So we're going to see how this is going to do. I'm going to go ahead and plant these in my yard and here in the fall. And that way they say that by the springtime when everything comes around, the bulbs will be getting ready to start growing and we will be able to have homegrown garlic all next year. I do have my garlic crock that I've got, so I'm going to be using that here to test it to see how it works. And with all this garlic that I'm going to be planting, I'm probably going to need either a bigger one or I'm going to need a few more of those if it really works as well as they say it does. So check out my channel if you haven't seen any of my other videos. I'm going to show my garlic. I'll maybe take you out into the yard and show you where I'm going to plant these and we can take a look at it and see how they're going to grow. So if you've ever grown garlic in your yard, let me know. I'd love to hear from you how yours turned out. If you grew them in pots like I did, I just put a few of the little bulbs in the pots there and they grew really well. I'd love to hear from you on that. And check out some of my other videos. You might find something else you like on my channel that would interest you. If you like this content, maybe you might consider giving me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what your thoughts are on raising your own garlic. Bye-bye now.